Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. So I've had the Motorola Edge 2023 edition for a few months now, and I felt like it was a good time to go back and share some of my experiences with it and give some of my pros and cons. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel and you're into unboxings, reviews, first impressions of tech gadgets, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the like button because it really does help out the channel. All right, so back to the video. Let's start this one on a positive note. Some things I like about the phone is the build quality and the form factor. So the phone is very lightweight in its IP68 dust and water resistance. It's something I look for in a phone, and it's one of the biggest reasons I switched to this one versus the 2022 model. In Alaska, the elements can change with a quickness. It can be sunny one moment and downpouring the next. Having that IP68 rating just gives me the confidence to be able to take it out with me when I'm out and about. So again, the phone is lightweight and it's got an aluminum frame. The aluminum frame keeps the phone nice and rigid. So the back of the phone is covered in a nice vegan leather. It provides ample grip and it's soft and it just feels good in hand. Now, a second pro about the phone is the screen on the Edge 2023 edition. Well, the screen is a 6.6-inch OLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate. Watching videos, playing games, just doing your normal day-to-day activities on the phone, it's very smooth. And the display on this phone is very bright. I can have it at 50% and it's bright enough to use indoors and outdoors. And even though the screen is on the bigger side, because of the curved edge, it makes it slim and you can easily operate the phone with one hand, which I really like. Unfortunately, because of the curved screen, the phone's pretty much borderless and sometimes you do get some phantom touches, so you're going to want to watch out for that. Now, another unfortunate dislike about the phone is that it's got limited accessories. I was only able to find one protective case for it on Amazon, and the screen protectors for the phone is also very limited, but I did find some decent ones, and I like to keep things simple. The black case for me works, and I'll put some links in the description in case you want to check out the case and the screen protector. Now, going back to some pros on the phone is the charging speed. It can charge at a blazing 68 watts, so it'll be able to give you all day power in minutes. Now, speaking of power, the phone offers a 4400 milliamp battery and can easily last all day with moderate to heavy use. So the phone can also charge wirelessly at 15 watts and offers reverse charging at 5 watts. So say you're out and about and your earbuds run out of battery, you can use your phone to charge them up real quick. What I don't get though is with the updates in charging speed and having the ability to reverse charge, they only gave this phone a battery of 4400 milliamps. The 2022 Motorola Edge had a 5000 milliamp battery. I wish they would have kept that. I also wish they kept the MediaTek 1050 processor that's on the 2022 edition. I feel that it's a little bit faster than the 730 that's in the 2023 model. The 2022 did beat it out in the Antutu benchmark by a few thousand points. And when playing games like Call of Duty Mobile, I did feel that the 2023 model was a tad slower. Not by much, but just a tad slower. And knowing that the older one is a little bit faster, just kind of, I don't know. I just wish they kept the faster processor. But the phone is able to play top titles in medium settings, no problem. Now, another dislike I have about the phone, it's probably one of the biggest ones, is the software support. It only gets 2 years of major software updates and 3 years of security patches. So that's something to think about. Now let's end this video on a positive note though. The MSRP on the phone is quite high, but it's usually on sale for less than 400 bucks. Right now the phone is selling on Amazon for $349 and will probably be below that soon. And if you can pick up this phone at around $250 or sub $300, I think it'd be a great buy. There's very limited bloatware in the software, and you'll get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if you guys want to check out the phone, I'll put a link in the description. As always, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.